impressed. Instagram just dropped an update on how to get discovered by Reels. So let's make sure that you are in the know. But before we get into it, hey, what's up? I'm Rasha. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss a thing. But let's roll right on into what's going on with this Reels update. Instagram just put out a release and they were telling you everything that you need to know to get discovered on the Reels tab. Kind of like how you can end up on TikTok's For Use page, the Reels tab is the For Use page equivalent. So Instagram just put out a release, and to some people's surprise, they dropped some newbies where they're like, we ain't doing that no more.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
So let me tell you what those are. You will no longer end up on the Reels tab if you have another social media platform's logo or watermark on your post, which is so huge. So that means all of y'all reposting y'all's TikToks and stuff over to Reels, y'all can't do that no more. Unless you remove the watermark and TikTok's logo. It was nice at first. Reels was just rolling out, so they were trying to push out as many videos. They didn't care. But now they said, it's at a pause. We are not doing that anymore. So make sure y'all are taking those watermarks off. If your video is blurry by any means or low resolution, it's not gonna go. And what we're finding out is that typically when you download your video from other platforms and upload them to Instagram, that's when they lose that resolution and they said, that's not cutting it for us no more. Not gonna go. If you have a border around most of your video, not gonna go. So that means all my folks that are doing like these funky Canva videos and stuff, Instagram said y'all can try that elsewhere but not over here. So y'all want to be careful with having too much of a border around your video. And I think another big one that they put out that we want to watch out for is if you have a lot of text covering your reel. Not gonna go. People are telling you that text is important, but they want to make sure that it is not through the whole video. And I think that that's a big deal because a lot of people don't necessarily know how to work Reels just yet. So they've just been putting text everywhere or full-blown paragraphs, and Reels is like, not gonna show up anymore, not gonna do it. So it's important to mention that all of these things were examples. Now, Instagram did say, they said that these are just highly unlikely to end up on the Reels tab. So if you upload a TikTok and it goes viral because of your followers or something, you still might end up on the Reels tab. But Instagram said that it's highly unlikely. But they did say that they will still show those videos to your followers. So if you're not trying to, gain that extra reach, which you should, why post a reel? If not, you might as well just post a regular video post if you're trying to get it just to your followers. Then they'll still show your reel to your followers. They just won't show it to the world. And we want those reels to get shown to the world because that's how you grow an account. That's how you grow more followers, blah, blah, blah. We can go into that in another video. But yeah, that's what's going down. And updates like these are really important. And I think that it's important to mention as well because we want to make sure that we are complying to the Instagram rules so that we can continue to grow our accounts. And Reels have shown to make people truly successful. I have seen accounts grow 20,000 plus in a matter of 2 to 3 months simply because they started posting Reels and implementing Reels in their strategy. So you want to make sure that you are following Instagram's rules, that you're playing by their rules, but also remember that it's an algorithm reading these things. It's an algorithm looking for these logos and looking for these texts and things. It is not an actual person, and you can't appeal this. And you won't know. You won't know why, because not all of your reels are going to end up on your Reels tab. So you just may not know. So you want to make sure that you are just being as vigilant as possible and taking all the due diligence that you can. That means if you have a TikTok hoodie, don't wear it, right? Because the algorithm might pick up that logo and think, it's a watermark, which it's not. So make sure that you are doing your due diligence and that you are not breaking any of these Instagram rules so that we can see your reels on the Reels tab. But that's all I got for you for this update. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me over on Instagram and see what reels I'm posting. But while you wait for the next video to come, make sure you check out these videos on the screen. I definitely think you should look at how my Instagram strategy is going into play. Check out this video and the other video YouTube recommends is the best for you. But I will see you in the next one. Bye!